Hi, are you thinking of studying to learn English? Okay, so if you are thinking of studying or learning English, then follow this video till the end. Hope this video will be very helpful for you to start your English learning journey. So dear friend, I'm Bikesh in front of you today, and I'm a very beginner. I'm not a trainer or tutor, but I can help you to start your English learning journey by giving you some suggestions or tips that I have been following to learn this language. Actually, I'm a learner. I have been learning this language for last 11 months and it's going to be 1 year. So I hope it will be very effective for you to start your English learning journey. So due to lack of proper guideline, we couldn't start our English learning journey, right? So I am today here. I'll give you the proper and the accurate suggestions to start your English learning. So there are many ways to learn English speaking or English learning. But today I'll share you the grammatical way to improve, to learn, to start your English learning journey. So first of all, if you want to start your English learning journey, definitely you should follow some rules and regulations because it's our second language. So as a second language, we should know some basics of it, right? So the basic topics I'll share with you today is the first one is tense. If you want to understand English, if you want to improve your comprehension skill to know how to make sentence or how to start speaking, then definitely you should know tense well. Without knowing tense well, you couldn't make sentence or you don't understand what other people are telling you or saying in their video or in movie, right? So definitely you should know tense well. So how to become master in tense, right? Because without mastery in tense you couldn't understand it. But one thing you should remember, that is, don't waste your time to learn tense. First, learn it theoretically. I mean, learn from different kind of book or videos that how to make sentence using tense. Okay, when you will be clear about it, that yeah, I totally know about tense, then try to use it, try to apply it in your daily life, in your daily activities or your surrounding environment. Whatever you are watching, wherever you are going, try to make sentence based on tense, right? Okay, now rule number 2. Rule number 2 is modal. So, along with tense, you should learn modal to make more sentence or to use in your daily life. And the number third is use of verb or part of speech. Is the part and the biggest part of grammatical or grammar, because from here you can know what is noun, what is pronoun, what is adjective, what is adverb, and the use of this, right? So first you should learn tense, second is modal, and third is use of verb or part of speech. And the number four is when you will be complete all of this, then try to focus on increase vocabulary, because when you can understand or when you can make sentences based on tense or modal verbs or use of verbs, then you felt that you are facing a lot of mistakes. You are facing a lot of problems. That is, you couldn't make sentence, lack of vocabulary. Then you should focus on vocabulary, right? So how do you improve your vocabulary? How will you improve your vocabulary? Try to use your surrounding environment. Whatever you are watching, you are observing beside you, in front of you, or behind you. Try to find out vocabulary from this. Now, suppose you are staying in your office, try to make sentence using your official environment. And note all of these vocabularies. Try to write down every vocabularies and with sentences. Don't write down just only vocabularies. Don't try to memorize these vocabularies. Try to note down, and with this vocabulary try to make a sentence using that. using that vocabulary. Okay, so friend, hope this video will be very helpful for you, and let's start your English learning journey. Have a good day. Best wishes for you. Bye bye.